Do you ever feel limited by Excel's default interface? Whether you're a macro enthusiast or love automating tasks, the Developer tab is your gateway to a world of advanced features in Excel. But by default, it's hidden from view. Today, I'll show you how to enable the Developer tab in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. The Developer tab gives you access to powerful tools like Visual Basic for applications, VBA, form controls, and the ability to record macros. It's perfect for advanced Excel users, programmers, and anyone looking to automate their workflows. Here's how you can enable the Developer tab in Excel. Follow along. First, click on the File menu at the top of your screen. Next, scroll down and select Options. This will open the Excel Options window. In the left-hand pane, click on Customize ribbon. Now look for the Developer option under the Main Tabs list. It's usually unchecked by default. Check the box next to the Developer. Finally, click OK to save your changes. And that's it. Your Developer tab is now enabled and ready to use. From here, you can explore advanced Excel features like recording macros, writing VBA code, and inserting form controls. Whether you're customizing your Excel experience or building powerful tools, the Developer tab is a game changer. Dive in and see how it can transform your workflows. Now that you know how to enable the Developer tab, why not give it a try? If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Excelling!